There are lots of ways to work this problem, but what I would do is get rid of the parentheses first. You've got power to power, so you multiply your exponents. So that would be x to the negative 8 times negative 5, which is 40. And then there's a 1 right here. 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. Let's do the same thing in the bottom. X to the 8th to the 5th. That's going to be x to the 40th. And y to the negative 5. You've got the same thing in the numerator as the denominator, so you know your answer has got to be 1. Now let's look at question 10. Question 10 says 243, a to the negative 3, b, c to the negative 7, no exponent on the outside, 3, a, b to the negative 6. So I would leave the first one alone. That's 243, a to the negative 3, b, c to the negative 7. And let's get rid of our parentheses here. You've got exponents of 1. Power to power, you multiply. That's 3 to the negative 6, a to the negative 6. B to the negative 6. So let me see here. We've got 243 times a to the negative 3, b, c to the negative 7, 3 to the negative 6, a to the negative 6, b to the negative 6. Now, I'm going to put the numbers out front, 243 and 3 to the negative 6. When you multiply like bases, you add your exponents. So that would be a to the negative 3 minus 6, which is a to the negative 9. And then I got a b here and a b here, and there's a 1 there. 1 minus 6, that's going to be b to a negative 5. And I've already moved that, and it looks like this is my only c. So that's c to the negative 7. So to get rid of your negative exponents, you move them to the opposite place they're in. So the 243 is raised to the first power, so just leave it alone. But in the bottom, move the 3 to the negative 6. That becomes 3 to the 6. Move the a to the negative 9th. B to the 5th. Move that to the bottom. Move the negative 5 to the bottom. And then c to the 7th. Now, I'm getting my calculator out, and I'm doing 3 to the 6 is 729. So this is 243 over 729. A to the 9th. B to the 5th. C to the 7th. And 243 divided by 729, and look at that as a fraction, it's 1/3. So 243 goes into 729 3 times. So that's 1 over 3, a to the 9th, b to the 5th, c to the 7th. I hope that helps.